Your kitchen holds powerful secrets, and today we are revealing one of them. A simple, time-tested recipe made from just 4 natural seeds: cumin, carom seeds, fennel and cardamom. These humble ingredients, when combined, become a potent blend for digestion, detoxification and overall well-being. Cumin seeds are more than just a kitchen staple. They're digestive warriors. They stimulate digestive enzymes, aiding in faster, smoother digestion. They reduce gas, bloating and stomach discomfort. They are anti-inflammatory thanks to powerful antioxidants. They help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. And they're rich in iron, supporting energy and hemoglobin production. Carom seeds, or Ajwain, are small but mighty. They relieve acidity, indigestion and gas almost instantly. They have strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties. They soothe respiratory issues like asthma and cough, and they ease menstrual cramps with their muscle-relaxing effect. Fennel seeds are cooling and sweet, known for calming the digestive tract. They reduce bloating and constipation. They act as a natural coolant, especially in hot climates. They freshen breath and fight oral bacteria. They support hormonal balance through natural phytoestrogens. And they detoxify the body with fiber and antioxidants. Cardamom doesn't just taste heavenly, it offers a wealth of benefits. It soothes the stomach and aids bile flow, relieves nausea and supports detoxification, fights bad breath with its antibacterial qualities, clears the respiratory system by loosening mucus, and acts as a gentle mood enhancer. Now let's bring these healing seeds together in a simple, powerful recipe. You'll need 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, also known as Jeera, 2 tablespoons of carom seeds or Ajwain, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, Saunf and 2 tablespoons of green cardamom, either whole pods or seeds. Instructions. First, dry roast the cumin, carom and fennel seeds on low heat in a pan. Stir gently for 3 to 4 minutes until aromatic. Then, let them cool completely. Next, add the cardamom pods or seeds to the cooled mix. After that, grind everything into a fine powder using a spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Finally, store the blend in an airtight glass jar away from moisture. This is your daily wellness shot in powder form. Take 1 teaspoon after meals or in the evening. You can consume it directly or mix it with warm water or a spoon of honey. Here's what this blend does. It improves digestion and gut health, relieves bloating, gas and acidity, freshens breath naturally, boosts metabolism and supports detox, eases menstrual discomfort, supports respiratory health and gently uplifts your mood. This natural remedy is safe for daily use, but as always, moderation is key. Stick to 1 teaspoon a day. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your healthcare provider before starting any herbal blend, especially with carom and cardamom. This simple combination of 4 natural seeds is a powerful gift from traditional wisdom, right from your kitchen. Natural, effective and gentle on the body. Try this herbal blend and experience the difference for yourself. For more natural health tips and remedies, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with someone who needs this.